And welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're taking a look at a Honda Chaky 50. This is our second one that we have in stock. We have one red and one in blue like this. Good condition, tyres front and rear are good. We've just done a little check-up on it. It just came in as a trade-in against another bike that we had. We did originally import this bike, so we know the previous owner in Ireland. So the rear of the bike, see the tyres good. Number plate 1992, indicators are brake light, seat over the top looks good. On the back now, a little bit of marks on the rear mudguard. Chain has been lubed here, sprocket, if we had a look at it, looks good. Plastics all look very nice. A little bit of a crack in the leg shields here. Plastics in the middle, that was good. Single key, only 13,000 kilometers on the clock. Down the front now, all the plastics here look good. Indicators original on the front headlamp as well. Bit of fading in the front mudguard. Front tyre looks good. Front fork seals are good. Onto the alloy itself then. Right hand side. Nice condition here. And the plastics all good. So it's all there, all original. Japanese bike. Really nice. Seat is good here as well. Into the back and over the top. That's it for the visual analysis, so we'll now move on to the ride along video. Alright, we're on the little Chaky 50. Blue one, we do have a red one as well. Little small wheels, these are eligible for those monkey runs because of the smaller wheels. And it's kind of what they want to have, these small little 10-inch wheels or whatever they are. And she's riding very nicely though, as I see, in second gear. And we're just going to get up this hill now. We're going to stretch out the second gear as much as we can, as you need to, and go into third. So you're going to be getting around 55 on a flat. You're going to be getting up to 50 kilometers an hour. See, as you can see here, 50 kilometers an hour uphill, and you're going to be getting around 60 kilometers an hour downhill. 3-speed clutchless gearbox, just like a Honda 50, same gearbox. Essentially, you know, if you're worried about it not being just a twist and go or learning the gears or something, it's very simple. Just look flat out into the next gear. I'm going to show you on this left hand side now of my foot. So my foot is here. I'm going to let off the throttle. So hold on, it's going to look up. And then into the third gear. And then away you go. And then you just switch. So there's no clutch or anything. And there's no clutch when you set off either. It's just put it into first gear. And then away you go. Now I am doing rev matching, you know, while braking, just to go into the lower gears. That just makes it a bit smoother, but you don't have to do that. It's just more an advanced rider. So I've, as you can see, I'm braking on my left or my right foot and my thing, and I'm revving the engine as they're coming down to match the gearbox and the wheel speed. But that's her. We'll just put her on the main stand here. I'm 6'2" when I got on the bike. Fits me perfect. You got a nice long seat here. This is what she looks like on the road. There she is. She looks very smart. Really nice little thing. And let me just get a picture here for the thumbnail. And HDR. And there we go. That's what you're going to be clicking on. So that's her. I'm going to show you now indicators and horn, so on. Just show you now here. Horn working. Front left, rear left, and then the rear right. There we are. And the front right. All electrics working. Kicked first time. You can actually kick it with your hand. I've kicked it with my hand many times, and it'll get going. A very easy bike. So for the money that's going up for, I think, you know, you could buy a lot worse bike. It's a nice little thing to have. They're going to get collectible as well as they get older, not made anymore, so these are going to be nice and collectible, as well as, you know, social things as well. You can do on them Honda 50 runs, you can go on monkey bike runs, you can do an awful lot with these things. Put them in the back of a camper van and so on, get little looks like that from that lad. So that's kind of it for the Honda Chaky 50. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also go down into the comment section and leave a comment on what you think of these little 50s, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.